So everyone's heard of the phrase, I wish I knew what I know now when I was younger. Okay, so this is pretty much one of the worst years of your life. Like, you're gonna be confused with girls, period, through these whole years anyway. But this is gonna be particularly confusing for this girl. And, just ask her out already. You've been thinking about it for freaking a couple months now. That's shit. But niggas, they be drawn. This is what you gotta do. Look, if you wanna cheat, if you really wanna cheat, deactivate your page. Make sure that you don't get caught, dickhead. Deactivate your page. Make sure that your Facebook, you don't write on people's walls. You don't write, and Facebook done made it so easy to stalk a motherfucker. Like, I'm taking niggas' pages now. I don't know what the fuck's up. I like the motherfucking status, and everybody across the freaking nation that was my friend on Facebook fucking knew that I liked that fucking page. How the hell they know that shit? They know when I freaking comment on somebody's page, they don't even know. All I gotta do to know what you're doing is request your ass. And I know everything that your ass is doing.
I'm scared to add bitches now. Like,
real
shit.
shit.
What does she know? What friends we got in common?
What the? Oh, very funny. You guys are fucking hilarious.
Alright, so you know what I don't get? Why do people, like... Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.